In case you lost your earbuds or you just misplaced your Soundcore R50i NC earbuds and you'd like to find them, all you have to do is launch the Soundcore application on your device and then ensure that they're connected. And then from here, simply tap on the search wheel icon in the top right corner. And then from the option that appear, select Find Device. Now let's say for instance you lost your left earbud. So you can simply tap on the play button. And then you should see this warning, a high decibel beep will be played. So simply tap on continue. And you should hear that audio emitting from your earbud. Now you can simply find it if it's around. And you can do the same for the right one. So you can simply tap on the play button and tap on continue. And you should hear that tone. So that's basically it on how to find your Soundcore R50i NC earbuds. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.